Hi, and welcome back to the channel. So I wanted to start another series on us going to different Texas state parks. So we bought the Texas State Park Pass in January, early January of 23. We've gone to five or six different state parks so far. So I just wanted to start a series to basically highlight them, review them so people can see them. But like I said, if you've been enjoying the content, please make sure to like and subscribe as well to stay up to date. We've been going to Texas state parks pretty religiously so far. We've gone, if not every weekend, every other weekend. If we've been we camped at one so far. We camped at Dinosaur Valley State Park, and we're going to Big Bend Ranch State Park to go camping at the end of February. But yeah, what you just saw pop up on the screen as well is All Trails. I use their pro version for the app. It basically tracks your hikes. It's really convenient. Instead of whipping out a map every 2 seconds, you can just look at your phone, or I have an Apple Watch, so it correlates to your Apple Watch to look at the map. And when you get to a trailhead, okay, do I want to go this way, this way? Majority of the time, what we've been doing, we'll just determine what state park we want to go to and just start hiking. We don't really pre-plan it out. And so the app's been really convenient because other people review the trails as well. So it will say, oh, this one's challenging, this one's moderate. It will show pictures of the scenery that you get through it. So yeah, I really do recommend that app. If you're gonna start going hiking, it's really convenient. The pro version, I think it's like $30. I got on sale for 17 at the beginning of the year. But yeah, it's really convenient app. But yeah, I just want to start this series, like I said, to review different Texas state parks, and kind of just showcase them. I don't think they get enough love, so I'm just gonna kind of do it my way. But yeah, like I said, we've gone to five or six. This was Hill Country State Natural Area. It was about an hour from our house, and I really liked this one. We went back-to-back weekends, and this was the second weekend we went. The first weekend, it was a little bit overcast and cloudy, so it wasn't as fun. But yeah, so we decided to go the opposite way and try some new trails. I think we hiked 5 or 6 miles on this one, and it was uphill, feels like almost the whole time. But I like this state park because you went through kind of different diverse areas. As you can see, we've already kind of hit three. You went into a more wooded area, more secluded. Then it opened up to a more desert area, which was really nice. And then this is like a tall grassland area, you could kind of say. But yeah, I really like this state park. Like I said, we've gone twice. We've hiked probably 10 miles total through different trails, and I feel like we still haven't hit majority of them. I think this one's 300 acres. But yeah, like I said, just make sure to subscribe. We're going camping at the end of February at Big Bend Ranch State Park for 4 days. So yeah, you'll see a lot of that state park as well. But yeah, thank you for watching.